opta, opta, which means to not exist or to not have. Again, opta means to not exist or to not have. Next word is mulon. Again, it's mulon, and it means sure or of course. Again, mulon means sure or of course. Next word is kimchi. Again, it's kimchi, and it simply pertains to the fermented vegetable dish of Korea. Again, kimchi pertains to the fermented vegetable dish. Next word is cake. Again, it's cake. This is considered a loan word which pertains to cake. Again, cake means cake. Next word is suop. Again, it's suop. This is a noun which means class or lesson. Again, suop means class or lesson. Next word is jogum. Again, it's jogum, and it means a little. Again, jogum is used to describe something as a little. Next word is aju. Again, it's aju, and it means very. Again, aju is used to say very. Next word is namu. Again, it's namu. This is a noun which means tree or wood. Again, namu means tree or wood. Next word is wayoil. Again, it's wayoil. And this pertains to Tuesday, as in the day of the week. Again, wayoil means Tuesday. Next word is chuda. Again, it's chuda. And this is a verb which means to give. Again, chuda is a verb which means to give.